Stop paying for AI subscriptions. Last month, I saved over $100 by canceling all my paid plans because I discovered a secret platform that replaces them all. Completely free. You can now generate insane, studio-quality videos and hyper-realistic images using VEO 3.1, Seedance 2.0, Kling, Nano Banana 2, and Seedream 5. And it doesn't stop there. The absolute latest heavyweight models, ChatGPT 5.4, Gemini 3.1, and Claude 4.7, are also 100% free. This is the ultimate AI battleground, where top tech labs compete, and you get full access to these premium tools at zero cost. Welcome back to AI Insights Hub. Let me show you how to unlock this digital goldmine and put your channel on autopilot right now. Open your browser right now and search for LM Arena. Hit the very first result that appears. What you're looking at is not just another AI tool. This is the world's largest AI battleground, a platform where every major AI model in existence competes for the top spot, and you are the judge. Here's how it works. LM Arena runs entirely on a community voting system. You use the tools, you vote on which one performed better, and that data builds a live public leaderboard of the best AI models on the planet. The companies behind these tools actually depend on this real user data to improve and fine-tune their models. So by using LM Arena, you're not just getting free access, you're actively contributing to the future of AI development. Pretty powerful when you think about it. Let me start with the feature I know you're all here for. Completely free video generation. On the LM Arena homepage, click on video icon right here, and you're ready. Nothing complicated. Just click it and start generating. For text to video, simply type your prompt describing the scene you want and hit submit. Here's what makes this special. The platform generates two completely separate videos using two different AI models simultaneously every single time. You always get two results to choose from. I'll be upfront with you. It does take a little longer than some dedicated video tools out there, but the moment you see what it produces, you'll understand immediately why it's worth every second of that wait.
The mountains call to me. I must find my strength.
Every step feels lighter here, like the earth remembers to breathe. The seasons shift, and so do I.
Look at both of these videos. The quality is genuinely impressive. One of them has full cinematic camera movement and even ambient sound built in. But here's the twist. The model names stay completely hidden until after you vote. That's the whole point of the system. You vote based on quality alone, then it reveals which model made which video. Now for image to video, upload your image directly. Add your prompt describing exactly how you want it to move and hit submit. Two animated versions of your image, two different models. Pick your winner. Completely free, no subscription needed. Now let's head back to the main LM Arena website and explore image generation. Click on Generate Images. The list of models that appears here will genuinely surprise you. Nano Banana 2, Seedream 5, Flux, and many more. Every significant image generation tool in the world, all sitting in one place. Let me show you something really interesting. I'm putting Nano Banana 2 and Seedream 5 directly head-to-head using side-by-side mode. Exact same prompt. Both models running simultaneously. Nano Banana 2 delivers its result first. As usual, incredibly fast. And just look at that. The detail, the lighting, the overall realism, genuinely impressive work. Now Seedream 5's result has arrived too. Let me give you a proper, honest comparison. If you look closely at the finer details in Seedream 5's version, certain elements carry a slightly artificial quality. You can tell the AI's hand a bit too clearly. Nano Banana 2's version, on the other hand, has a much more natural, authentic feel to it overall. My vote goes to Nano Banana 2, and that vote you just watched me cast, that is literally how these models climb the global rankings every single day. Your vote has real weight here. Don't underestimate it. Here's something that most people completely overlook about LM Arena. You can also edit your existing images directly on this platform. Totally free. Let me show you exactly how. I'll upload a photo. I'm using a simple cat image for this demonstration and give it one clear instruction. Add a kitten to this image. And just like that, the edited version is ready. The quality is exactly what you'd expect from a premium paid editing tool: clean, natural, and precise. I tested this multiple times with completely different types of edits, swapping backgrounds, adding objects into scenes, modifying specific elements, and the results were consistently clean and impressive every time. No watermarks, completely free, and absolutely zero compromise on output quality. Now let's talk about the chat feature, which honestly is just as powerful as everything else we've explored. Go to Direct Chat and open the model selector. Every major AI chatbot on the planet is right here. ChatGPT 5.4, Gemini 3.1, Claude 4.7, Gemini Flash. All of them available, completely free. Let me demonstrate with ChatGPT 5. I'm asking it to build me a complete, fully functional to-do list application from scratch. The kind where you can add tasks, mark them as complete, and delete them. The entire code is generated in just seconds. I've copied it and pasted it straight into an online compiler, and the app works perfectly out of the box. Tasks can be added, checked off, and deleted with no issues at all. A fully working application, built in under a minute at zero cost. Now let me show you the complete content creation pipeline using LM Arena, from raw idea all the way to a finished video without leaving the platform. Step 1, go to Direct Chat. Select ChatGPT 5 and ask it to write a full detailed script for your video concept. Whatever topic, whatever tone or style, it handles it completely. Step 2, in that same chat session, ask it to convert the script into detailed image generation prompts for every individual scene. Copy all of them carefully. Step 3, open a fresh LM Arena tab. Navigate to image generation and create all of your scene visuals using those exact prompts one by one. Step 4, take those generated images into the video arena and bring them to life using the image to video feature. You now have a complete polished video, script written, visuals created, and motion added, built entirely inside one free platform from start to finish. No subscriptions, no credit limits, no excuses left. One last feature I want to highlight, and this one is seriously underrated by most people. Instead of relying on a model's outdated training data, LM Arena can search the actual web in real time. Type your query, and it pulls live, current results with full source links attached, so you can verify everything yourself. This makes it genuinely powerful for research, breaking news, trend analysis, competitor research. Basically any task where you need accurate information from today, not from 6 months ago when the model was last trained. So let's do a quick recap of everything you just unlocked. All of it completely free. ChatGPT 5.4, Gemini 3.1, and literally every major AI chatbot on the planet. World-class image generation and editing with no watermarks. Completely free text-to-video and image-to-video creation. Real-time live web search. And a complete end-to-end content creation workflow, all inside one single platform that costs you absolutely nothing. The tools that used to cost hundreds of dollars every month are now sitting wide open for everyone. The only thing that was ever standing between you and all of this was simply knowing where to look, and now you do. If this video gave you real value today, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. My job is to find these hidden platforms and opportunities so you don't have to waste your time searching. Now I have one question for you. Which feature are you trying first? The free video generation, the image model battles, or ChatGPT 5.4 for coding? Drop your answer in the comments right now. I'll see you in the next one.